There's not been a dull moment since arriving in Miami, the big 305, for the christening event of Norwegian Viva. And Viva Viva la Viva. That's all I've been hearing as we have journeyed through this wonderful, wonderful experience. Now, to make good better, last night I had the surprise, not necessarily of my life, but it was a good surprise nevertheless, where our president of Norwegian Cruise Lines, Mr. David Herrera, decided to be my cameraman. Oh my goodness. The story, I'll tell a good story. But let's see what happened. This was the welcome cocktail function with Travel Leaders Network because, we're Avoya, we're Share Fantastic, and so we are Travel Leaders Network. This was a surprise, and I'm so happy to share the content here with you.
The weather, as John said, we brought that in specifically for you guys. We wanted to put on a great show for you last night. I think we did. We're hoping to take the next couple days just to enjoy the show, just to enjoy the team. We're here for you. We're here to spend time with you because part of being partners is creating memories together. And this is a pretty cool way to create some memories. As we all know, christenings are few and far between. We only christen a ship every 12, 18, 24 months. Even though we got a lot of these ships coming in the next few years, which is why we need your partnership, your help, and your support. But guys, enjoy it. We're away from the office. We're away from a lot of the stresses that we have every day on the water. This is what cruising's all about. This is what traveling's all about. This is why a lot of us really appreciate this business. I hope you get some downtime. I hope you get to enjoy it. I look forward to spending more time with you. So now, I spoke for a few words, and I think there's going to be somebody else speaking for a few words. My boss, Mr. Harry Summers. Here you go, sir. That's a great speech, huh? You got that sunset right there. Just for you guys.
Was that perfect time?
Is it on?
I did. I took a picture before. You get like one big selfie later. David's really good at that. David, we should do like one big selfie later.
Okay.
Okay,
good idea.
So I'll just, the beauty of this is I can go like to 3 or 4 of these cocktail parties and give the exact same speech because you didn't hear me the other times. All jokes aside, David did a fantastic job last night. Thrilled as our new NCO brand president. I loved what he did at the christening, the speech, his passion. Although he's acting a little bit foolish right now. His passion, his commitment to the trade, his commitment to excellent product experience is really part of his every fiber in his body when he comes to do the work every day. What he lives for, really what he does very well, and we are so excited to have David as our new NCO brand president, taking this brand to new heights. Let's give him a round of applause. We also like this guy too. I haven't seen him give any speeches yet, so maybe he's going to invite me to
take it. Here you go.
I'll take it. Let's do a selfie. Let's do a selfie.
All right, wait. Let's take a picture of you doing the
Do you know
selfie.
he actually stands on stilts? This isn't his real height. Ask him to wear his shorts and you'll see underneath.
We did. That was
For
a
those
good
jokes aside, this has really been a fantastic experience for these last few years, watching this ship come to life. We were part of I was part of the original group that did the design, white sheets, pen on paper, looking at what the future can be on a different class of ships for NCL. I visited the yard probably 5 or 6 times during construction, see mock-ups, see the steel, see the pieces being welded and come together, and then to actually see her fully to life with happy people on board. It's like watching your child be constructed, born, come to life, and grow up and just be a wonderful, wonderful beacon for people to enjoy. And I look at the expression on everyone's faces, your smiles, your passion, the enjoyment you have. I love to walk the ship and just see people enjoying time with their loved ones, their family, listening to music.
and really, really enjoying themselves. So I really think we have something special here with John and David leading this brand, and wonderful product, and partners like you supporting us and bringing us guests that are going to have great, happy experiences. The future is really bright. So I thank you guys for everything you do, and I look forward to welcoming you all on board Aqua in March, April of 2025.
I told you. I'm not kidding. I've taken this job so seriously.